use continuity to evaluate the limit. And the limit we're looking at is the limit as x approaches 1 of e to the 7x to the fourth minus 7x power. So we know that polynomials are continuous for all real numbers, and we know that e to the x is a continuous function for all real numbers. So this composition of functions is also continuous, which means that if we want to evaluate this limit, we simply need to evaluate this function for x equals 1. So that's going to be e to the 7 times 1 to the fourth minus 7 to the first power. So that's going to be e to the 7 minus 7th power, or e to the 0. And anything to the 0 is 1, except for 0 to the 0, which is undefined, but that's not relevant here. E to the 0 is 1, and so that limit is equal to 1. And again, let's take a look at this graph to see what we get. That is an interesting function. It looks like it's growing exponentially in both directions, which makes sense because when x is a negative number, x to the fourth becomes positive and grows very quickly. So even when x is growing in the negative direction, the exponent is growing in the positive direction, and so that function is growing very quickly. Very quickly. Interesting graph.